How to exchange money in Western Union. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to exchange money in your Western Union account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just search for westernunion.com and just go to the currency converter page, and here just go ahead and log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can click on register and create an account for yourself in the Western Union. And once you're done logging in and creating your account, just you will see this option called currency converter, and here what you have to do is just select the send amount money in the currency that you want to convert the money from, and the currency in which you want to receive the money. So for example, you want to send the money in USD and you want to receive in, so all you have to do is just mention the amount of money that you want to receive from your USD to INR, for example $200, and here you will see the converting rate and the fees and everything. So for example, if you're sending $200 in USD, and that will be around 16,583 INR in Indian rupees. And you can also see the convenience fees that the converter will take, but in this case there is no fees as such. So just click on send money, and here on this page you will still have the option to choose the currency, the receiver currency. For example, you can search here, select the country in which you want to transfer the money, and you can also change the amount if you want to. And after that you will also have the option that how does your receiver want the money. Do they want in cash pick, or do they want in their bank account through UPI or through their Paytm wallet or anything like that, and how would you like to pay. So if you want to pay online, you can choose these options like your credit card, debit card, or through your bank account. And if you want to pay in cash, you will have these options. So if you want to pay in cash, you have to look for exchange rate and fees by setting up the transfer, and pay at the participating Western Union location within 12 hours, and bring your photo ID and your cash, and no paper forms, and faster checkout. So just click on continue, and then you have to complete the process within 12 hours. And if you want to send the money online, just select any of the payment mode and just click on continue, and on the next page just enter all these details and confirm your transfer. And this way you will be able to exchange money in Western Union. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.